What's up, craft stars? Welcome to Sandie Crafts. Today is going to be a quick video. We will learn on how to offset and knock out text on Cricut Design Space. So without further ado, let's begin. How to offset and knock out text in Cricut Design Space. So first, start by opening Cricut Design Space and inserting a text box. Choose the boldest font available, something clear and eye-catching. Increase the size to ensure maximum visibility. Next, for a polished look, adjust the letter spacing to bring the characters closer together. Once you've done that, add another text box to continue your design. Now, did you know that some fonts come with built-in shortcuts for cute little decors? Yep, it's like a hidden treasure. So for this example, we're going to type a square bracket followed by sweet home with underscores. And then close it off with another square bracket. And trust me, it's gonna look cute. The magic font for this is I Love Glitter. The square brackets give you those adorable swirly tails, and the underscore, that turns into a little heart. But sometimes this font can be a little bit hard to read. But don't worry, we've got this. Just ungroup the letters and move them around until everything flows. Once your letters are looking good, group them back together. Alright, so back to the first text. Let's give it a fresh coat of blue so we've got some contrast going on. Now drag the second text box and place it where you want it. I personally like it near the bottom of the first text, so the big text stays the star of the show. When you've got that in the perfect spot, click on the smaller text, then head up top and hit the offset tool. You can play around with the size, but I like to keep it at 0.10, just enough to make it pop without being too much. Make sure to select curve and hit apply. Now for a little magic, drag the bottom part of the text just a tad to separate it, and leave that offset chill in there. And here comes the fun part. Highlight both the big text and the contour, then click on the slice tool. And this is where the magic happens. Once it's sliced, go ahead and delete that extra pieces and drag the smaller text to the center of the big text. And boom, you're done. That's how you do it. You can now go ahead and start your next project like a Cricut Pro you are. You can use this design for all types of projects. You can use it for t-shirt, mugs, or even home decors. The possibilities are endless. But seriously, get creative with it and let me know what kind of project you come up with. And that's the end of this tutorial. If there's a project you wanted to see next, just comment down below. And if you wanted to learn on how to curve text using Cricut Design Space, watch the next video right over here. Thank you.